Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Animate From Audio by Adobe Express so you can quickly and easily animate characters using your own voice. To get started, you can open a web browser and go to Adobe Express homepage at adobe.com/express. Click on the Quick Action button and choose Animate From Audio. To create a new animation, all you have to do is click on this button, Upload Your Video. That's going to open up the Animate From Audio editor. You can also access Adobe Express and Animate From Audio from the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. On the home page, you'll see a shortcut section. Just click on Adobe Express. That's going to open up a web browser, and since you are already signed in to the desktop app, you'll be signed in the web browser. Click on Video, go to the Video Quick Action section, then click on Animate From Audio, which will open up the Animate From Audio editor. First, select a character that you want to use in your animation. You can just click on any of the characters to preview. You can also click on the drop-down to sort the characters by category, and choose All to view all of the characters available. I'm going to use Sawyer. You'll see there's a bounding box, so you can resize, and you can also move your character around. Next, choose a background for your animation. So click on Background, just click to preview. You can also sort by category. You can choose a solid color by clicking on Custom Color. And if you only want to animate the character without a background, just click on Transparent. And to upload your own custom background, just click on Upload Image. Select your custom background, click Open, and finally, the last customization is the size. Where are you going to be uploading or sharing the video? Just click on the drop-down. You'll see Adobe has included a bunch of the most popular platforms. I'm going to select YouTube, Landscape, 16:9 aspect ratio, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Click on Browse to upload an audio file if you've already recorded the character's dialogue and you exported it using one of the supported audio file formats, or click on the Record button and record the dialogue directly in the browser. And before pressing record, you may want to check your audio hardware settings to make sure you're using the right audio interface or microphone. And if you don't have access to a good quality microphone, you can toggle on this enhanced speech, and this will try to improve the quality of your voice recording. When you're ready, press record. You have the option to pause at any time if you just want to catch your breath or maybe you want to work on your script, then click on resume. Or you can click on cancel and just press record again to start over from scratch. Hi there, my name is Mike Murphy. When you're done, click done. This can take a few minutes depending on how long your animation is. To preview your animation, hover your cursor, click on the play icon, and notice Adobe automatically animates the character and the lip sync is perfectly synced to your audio. Hi there, my name is Mike Murphy, and this is Animate From Audio. Below the video, you can scrub through the video by dragging the scrubber, and you can also trim by just dragging in the handles at the beginning or the end. You can click on the back button if you want to go back and re-record. You can click on Download to download the video directly to your computer, or click Open in Editor, and that'll take you into Adobe Express. And from here, the customizations are endless. You can add additional media, text, elements, photos, videos, graphics. You can record additional scenes. You can bring in another character. But when you're all done, in the top right corner, you can just click on Download. Choose the file format. MP4 is going to be the best for video. Choose the resolution that you want to download it as, and click on Download. And while you're waiting, you can start a new Animate From Audio project. And that is how to use Animate From Audio in Adobe Express. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.